Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, first year. Hope you all are doing well. In today's lecture, we will be having the character sketches of all the characters involved in the second play of your Intermediate English Book 3. The title of the play is Visit to a Small Planet. The first and the most important character in the play is Creighton. Creighton is the protagonist and the hero of the play around whom the whole story revolves. Physical appearance of the Creighton is he is a very pleasant looking man in his 40s. He is dressed in the fashion of 1860s and he has side whiskers. He is an alien and he has come to visit the earth and study the people of the earth and their ways of living. He shows some of his extraordinary powers. That is, he can create an invisible wall around him and around his flying saucer to protect himself from any danger. He has also the ability to read the minds of other people. He also predicts the plan of the peoples around him. He tells the people that his race is far more advanced than the race living on earth. They are scientifically and technologically more advanced than the people of earth, as he has come in the flying saucer that doesn't even have any instrument, but still it has the ability to move from one planet to the other. He also comment on the primitive and very negative sort of emotions of the human race, that are hatred and violence and their love for war. He tells them that they believe that every stranger is an enemy. So he doesn't like although he doesn't appreciate these emotions, but still he likes to study the people of earth, their primitive ways. And he also tells the people that their race is very peaceful. The people on his planet are very peaceful. They do not believe in attacking other planets, and they do not have any plans to attack the planet earth. The writer has also reflected the light on the fact, although Creighton is very strong, he is more intelligent and physically more powerful than the people of earth, yet he is not flawless, because in the beginning he tells the people that he has just come to visit the earth, but eventually when the situation becomes worse and the house of Mr. Spalding comes under martial law, he changes his plan at once and tells them that he will stay on earth and have a control of this planet. Now, the second important character in the play is Roger Spalding. Roger Spalding is basically a middle-aged man. He is anxious and resonant. He is a news commentator, a news anchor by profession, and he lives in an old homestead, Silver Glen, Maryland, USA. He is depicted as a materialistic sort of person, because throughout the play we have the hints that he just wants a breaking news for his TV show and he wants to become famous. His materialistic sort of approach is also evident when he talks to Ellen, his daughter, and he doesn't approves to her marriage to John because he is just a farmer, and he wants his daughter to get married to someone very ambitious. So he is in a total conflict with his daughter. He argues with his daughter in the beginning of the play. Now the next important character is Alan Spalding. Alan Spalding. Alan Spalding is a very lively looking girl. She is in her 20s and she is the daughter of Mr. Spalding. She is a modern girl and she knows her rights. That's why she argues with her father and she corrects her father whenever he misquotes anything. And she loves John, another character in the play, and she supports him as he is a hard working person, but her father doesn't approve to her marriage. But still she is very loyal to John. When he goes to see the flying saucer, she is very anxious that he doesn't get harmed, and she tells her father to get his gun, and she doesn't even walk out of the house without John. So she is a strong girl, and her reaction towards Creighton is very friendly. She is very enthusiastic, excited, and curious. And she is also very brave enough to have a ride on the flying saucer in which Creighton has come. The next character is Mrs. Spaulding. She is the wife of Mr. Spaulding. She has somehow very passive attitude towards her husband. She is bored with his news broadcast. She is a very loving and kind sort of person. She doesn't argue with her husband and her daughter. She just tells them don't argue because it gives her a headache. In the beginning of the play, she is knitting, but eventually, when Creighton comes, she is very hospitable and she is also very friendly towards him. She presents him with a very neat and clean room to live and rest. The next character is John Randolph. John Randolph is the person to whom Ellen wants to marry. He is a hard-working farmer. He grows English walnuts in his farm, and he is satisfied with his job, and he is loyal to Ellen. And he is also excited when he sees Creighton, and he also wants to have a ride on Creighton's saucer. He is curious about the character of the Creighton. Next character is General Powers. General Power is a military commander whom Mr. Spaulding calls. In the beginning, he is very authoritative and he has a very commanding nature. He is also rude and angry, and he is very upset with the fact that Creighton doesn't give him the relevant information that he wants. And his thoughts, when Creighton exposes his thoughts, tells us that he is also very ambitious and materialistic because he just want his promotion through the whole situation. He just want to overcome this situation of alien coming to earth and become famous in his get promoted in his military rank. The last character is AD. He is basically the assistant of General Powers, and he gets the orders from General Powers and do whatever General Powers want him to. But General Powers and AD do not get succeeded, although they have the powers, although they are authoritative, but they do not get succeeded in their plans because Creighton is very secretive about his planet and he doesn't reveal much information to him. And General Power is not able to arrest Creighton and is also not able to destroy his saucer. So these were the all characters including in the play.